In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy vehicle tools on Dhgate 2026, step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Dhgate homepage. Once you're on the site, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives, and it's the quickest way to drill down into the exact products you need without getting lost. Click all categories to open the full directory. From the list, find automobiles and motorcycles and click it to enter the automotive section. If you see the category mentioned again as you move through the menus, that's okay. Just select it to stay within the right department. Now scroll through the page until you spot the vehicle tools area. When you see vehicle tools, click it to open the dedicated category. If the page presents vehicle tools again as a sub-filter or banner, click it once more to make sure your results are narrowed to the correct tool listings. From here, browse until you find the tool you need. This could be a roadside emergency kit, car mechanic tools, or a basic set for home maintenance. Use the search bar or filters to refine by price, ratings, or shipping options. It's a good idea to check compatibility details, like sizes or voltage, and to consider what you'll actually use so you don't overbuy. Once you've found an item that looks right, click on it to open the product page. Take a moment to check all the labels and details, the product title, specifications, materials, what's included in the package, available colors or variants, shipping timelines, and any return notes. Look closely at listing photos and scan buyer reviews for real-world feedback on quality and durability. Confirm you've selected the correct variation, if there are options like size or model. Next, check the minimum order quantity. Some listings require you to buy more than one unit, or price tiers may change with quantity. Adjust the quantity field if needed, and note how it affects the total price and shipping cost. If there's a choice of ship from location, pick the one with the best delivery time for you. When everything looks good, click Buy Now. You'll move to Checkout, where you can review your order. Carefully confirm the item, the variation, the quantity, shipping method, and the final total, including taxes or duties if shown. If you have a valid coupon or platform discount, apply it here. Once the summary matches your expectations, proceed to checkout to complete your purchase. And that's it. Simple, clear, and ready for your next vehicle project.